Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I'm fine. How to make money, the mobile apps development and mobile apps 2003. How do free apps make money in mobile? The 8 techniques, the bonus videos, the mobile development make money. To make money from apps, you need to create an apps. Business needed to update it, the last tools, the technology uses and mobile apps, government organization, non-government organization, um, large business, small business, medium business, the political, all over the world needed the mobile apps. The present time, mobile apps development so demand. The 2023 to 2025 yearly, the $100 billion the mobile market internationally. Your own countries, your local market, international market, European market, American market, Canadian market, lot of market. You can, your apps development, your portfolio, sharing, the social media, network as like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. etc. You can make the blog, YouTube channel, you're creating your apps, the videos, sharing the your friends, your audience, large audience. The how to make monies and mobile apps type of 8. Type of 8. To great client idea that means by these. Let me tell you these. The top 200 apps on the App Store make about 82,500 a day dollars. Now who brand this client and taken a log of top 800 apps on the Play Store. This number dropped without $3,500 days. This number also varies the categories with trophies, gaming and make about 222k days, while also entertainment apps make 3,900 a day. Following this store make to from mobile apps in-apps advertising, in-apps purchase, in-app subscription, in-apps content, in-apps paid, in relationship, affiliate and selling, crowdfunding, etc. etc. The how to make money, lot of make money gain the online platform, the mobile apps development in the world. There's a lot of demand. You 2 days start this mobile apps development, the lot of make money, and the make money or for free mobile app development, the lot of oil, how to make money, international market, local market and others market. You can start this mobile apps development. A lot of make money, $50,000 income for this the mobile app development market. But 23 and 2025 the year coming year, the $1,000 billion market of mobile apps. You can platform start today mobile apps development, how to make money, the lot of make money gain, the mobile apps development. Thank you, best of luck.